Namaskar, this is Abhishek and you are watching Rebel News India. Let's have a look on the today's top regional and national news.
Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar on Friday asked all district magistrates to reopen public service centers in their district while maintaining the norms of social distancing. World Health Organization has confirmed World No Tobacco Day 2020 award on Socio-Economics and Educational Development Society for its extensive work in controlling the use of tobacco. Seeds work in the field of tobacco control in two states of India, Bihar and Jharkhand. The Bihar Public Service Commission has extended the deadline online applications for various recruitment examination 2020 from May 28 to June 24. A high-voltage political drama unfolded at Patna on Friday as leader of opposition Tejasvi Prasad Yadav, his elder brother Tej Pratap Yadav and mother Rabdi Devi along with all MLAs of RJD were stopped from going to Gopalganj to meet the family of RJD leader JP Yadav, whose parent and two brother were shot dead on Monday night. Bihar's Industries Minister Syam Rajak has written to 24 leading industrialists in the country, inviting them to set up their unit in the state. In his letter, the minister has stated that there is vast scope in Bihar for industrial unit in food processing sector, agriculture equipment manufacturing, healthcare, IT and energy, chemicals, leather and textile. The total number of COVID-19 positive cases reached 3,185 in the state on Thursday with 149 people testing positive, including 12 in Patna district. The total number of positive cases now stand at 2,135. Acute encephalitis syndrome, also known as brain fever that had killed about 200 children in the state last year, has struck this North Bihar town again in what could be a double whammy in the wake of the coronavirus pandemic.
It is a matter of concern, but it is nothing to be scared of. I assure you that your government is 4 steps ahead of COVID-19, said Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal, urging the government to be sensitive towards the financial distress faced by tobacco growers due to COVID-19 pandemic. Farmers' body FIFA said Modi's Vocal for Local campaign should be applicable to tobacco control policies in India. Not India but Bharat or Hindustan. Supreme Court to hear plea on amending constitution. 52 lakh migrants ferried back home via Shramik Special will run till all reach their destination, says Railway. Odisha approves rupees 17,000 crore special livelihood intervention plan to generate rural employment.
Let's have a look on the top international news.
Britain may offer path to citizenship for nearly 3 million in Hong Kong. More protesters arrested in New York City as Eric Garner's mother speaks. SpaceX Starship rocket prototype explodes during test. 394-feet rocket designed to carry humans and cargo to Moon and Mars. No immediate indication of injuries after explosion in Texas. Trump says US terminating relation with World Health Organization as per a report of AFP.
World MS Day is officially marked to be celebrated on May 30. It is the day which brings the global MS community together to share their stories and raise awareness campaign with everyone affected with multiple sclerosis. Multiple sclerosis is the disability disease of the brain and the spinal cord. The damage in MS disrupts the communication between the brain and the body. This leads to problems with balance, vision and muscles control. At the moment, there is no cure for MS, but researchers have been doing their job and hoping to find one quickly. The theme for World MS Day 2020-22 is Connections. The MS Connections campaign is all about building community connections, self-connection and connections to quality care. The campaign tagline is I Connect, We Connect and the campaign hashtag is MS Connections. MS Connections challenges social barriers that leaves people affected by MS feeling lonely and socially isolated. It is an opportunity to advocate for better services, celebrate support, networks, and champion self-care.
Thanks for watching Rebel News India. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.